If you love cooking up a storm for friends and family, the Flavel dual fuel range cooker is the perfect addition to your kitchen. With a 2-oven design comfortably holding a huge 116 litres, you can easily cook large, lavish meals or use the ovens independently to cook dishes at different temperatures. Flexible cooking that gives you complete control. Including both fan and conventional cooking methods, you have the perfect tool to bake or slow cook, providing you with the best of both heating types. Featuring 7 gas burners with enamel supports and a wok burner, you can use pots and pans of all sizes whilst creating your meal. The ultimate flexible cooking tool. A complete cooking solution for large households with the Flavel dual fuel range cooker.